Here is a Hunter Highbury with a 3-speed pull chain and a light pull chain. It is also controlled by an included 3-speed remote. The light just turns on and off and there is no dimmer. And I'm going to turn it on low speed with the remote. It seems to spin as low as most ceiling fans on low and on this speed. And now, I'm going to turn it up on medium speed. It seems a bit sluggish for medium speed. And now, here comes the high speed. It only spins very slightly faster, so it's still like a sluggish medium speed, and it only blows a little amount of air. There is a 52-inch Harbor Breeze Aero, which looks like Hunter Palermo, installed in this house that blows a lot more air. And yes, the pull chain is set on high speed. I've seen other Hunter Highbury spinning faster, and some other Highbury spinning slow, so I guess these fans have a tendency to have capacitor wear out. Now, watch what happens if I pull the chain for light twice. It turns off and doesn't turn back on. It turns back on when I push the light button on remote only once, so it also turned off with receiver when I pull the chain. And here's the low speed with the pull chain. The lights sometimes blink when I pull the chain. And it's spinning a bit slower than the low speed with the remote. And here goes the medium speed. It's also a bit slower than the medium speed with the remote. And here goes the high speed. It's obviously the same as the high speed with the remote, because in both cases, the chain is set on high as well as the receiver. So unlike the speed with remote, medium speed is actually distinguishable from high speed. So far, I would say this is not the best fan when you want to buy a fan. Today's Hunter fans are generally cheap except for Hunter Original, which is one fan I would recommend today. This Hunter is actually one of the worst Hunter fans in fact. I hope you enjoy this video, and remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.